How to make own sound on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can make our own sound on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to make your own sound on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat application. And then let's say that you just happen to take a certain snap over here, and if you had wanted to go ahead and then basically add a new music, you would need to go ahead and then basically tap this music icon here, and now you would be able to add the sounds. But if you want to make your own sound, you can go to my favorites, and even inside my favorites you'll find the option called my sounds over here. So tap on the my sounds option, and here you'll find create sound. So now tap the create sound option, select if you want to upload from camera roll or record a sound right away. Depending upon what you want, you can just go ahead and then record a certain sound, and then you can just tap on this little option here, and now you would have successfully created the sound. If you want, then you can also choose to make it sound public. This way you can go ahead and then basically actually create your Snapchat sounds or make it sounds on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.